Welcome everyone. Figured I'd show you this E32. So this is the 1994 BMW 740iL, 4-liter V8, originally automatic car, and I believe all his 740s came as automatic only. Swapped it to 6-speed from E39 540, so Getrack 420 transmission, 293 rear end, 16 wheels from E39. Fairly clean car, being a Minnesota car. Pretty much no rust on it. Got it super neglected, but I believe it was the original owner. Had to cut the catalytic converters because they've been shot and it was smoking like a crazy. Engine was super neglected, needed some maintenance. Definitely needed some small pieces like this, but nothing really major. Interior is tan. I guess not too many people like the tan interior. I actually like it when it's clean. The rubber seals are getting out from the places, and the headliner is the saggy. Seats are pretty good condition. Everything works, like windows, AC, and stuff like that. Need a good cleaning, but overall a super nice car. I'm actually pretty pleased with it compared to the E34. I never had E32s before. Feels much more roomy, much more cozy, and much more like cushy compared to E34. A little bit slower, definitely, not too bad at all. Let's just pop the hood and see what's in there. M60 B40, 4-liter V8. Had to run the catch can just to check if the PCU valve is good or not. So basically that's like a temporary solution, or maybe permanently. Nothing special. The engine was pretty bad. The oil was really like goofy. Spark plugs been really shot, so had to do some maintenance on it. Tied up the oil pump nuts. Still getting like huge lifter tick. I'm not sure why, and looks like it's coming from one side of the head. So I checked the oil pressure. That's not a problem, and it's sticking on this side, so I'm assuming that's the lifters. Probably have to pull it and replace the lifters. Bunch of lights on a tech, 152,000 miles on it. Still working on it, so have to clean the trans program and check engine light. Obviously 6-speed. Looking for the shifter surround too, but let's go. Not super comfy to drive and film, but nobody on the road, and I didn't grab my GoPro. It is cruising nicely with this 6-speed and 293 diff, sitting at 2,500 RPM, 80 miles per hour or 130 kilometers per hour. The most difficult part about this whole swap of the custom drive shaft, it either needs to be longer, 6 inches, or get a custom one. I had it welded myself, and to my surprise, there's like not shaking, no vibrations, pretty good though.